Hello again, and welcome to our look at the Friday, October 31st trading session. As you can see, I have the economic calendar in front of you as per usual. And right away, we have a Japanese press conference after the interest rate decision. Not a big surprise there expected. We know that the Bank of Japan is very loose monetary policy wise, so it's going to be kind of surprising if they can move the markets. So that being said, we really are paying attention to the CPI numbers coming out of Europe later in the day, anticipated to be 0.4% year over year. This will have an influence on the euro-dollar pair, as well as perhaps the DAX, CAC, etc. After that, later in the day, we have Canadian GDP month over month, which will influence the US dollar-Canadian dollar pair. But beyond that, we really don't see much that's going to influence the market directly. We think that a lot of the same themes will continue. First market we are looking at is the FTSE. It has broken out above the 6,400 level and then bounced around after forming a shooting star. So that shows the market doesn't really want to break down here, and that just makes us more bullish. We are buying calls on pullbacks as we believe this market will go much higher, probably 6,900 given enough time. But we think this is going to be a short-term buy on the dips type of situation over and over and over again. So that's exactly how we are going to play it. We are looking for calls on short-term charts. Looking at the S&P 500, you can see we're trying to fall. We just can't do it, and because of that, it's very likely that the market will continue higher, probably heading to 2000 first and then 2020. We think the market eventually breaks out to the upside, and it still offers call buying opportunities every time it falls and shows the slightest amount of support. You can see that the euro dollar broke down rather significantly, but has found quite a bit of support just below the 1.26 level. So having said that, a little bit of a bounce could come, but we still believe that the selling pressure comes back into play. Rallies will continue to be put buying opportunities as far as we can see. And finally, the dollar Canadian dollar, you can see continues to meander around the 112 area. And that being said, we believe that those Canadian numbers could influence this market. And if we can get above 112 for any significant length of time, a couple hours or whatever, it could be a call buying opportunity. We're not interested in buying puts because there's too many places below that could offer support at the moment. And with that being said, we have looked at the Friday, October 31st trading session.